What's up mga ka-treasure? Ito yung Card Expo sa SM Makati na napuntahan natin last March 15. So review ulit natin siya. Let's G. So ayan yung event na napuntahan natin for the Card Expo. Sa SM Makati siya located. Cyberzone, bandang dulo. And bilihan nyo ng mga gadget. So ayan yung event center. Medyo hindi siya ganoon kalakihan pero ang dami pa rin namang pumunta as you can see. Then, nagpunta tayo kasi like nagbabaka sakali ako na may Magic the Gathering since medyo hook tayo ngayon sa MTG. Buying tayo kasi we are building decks for playing and syempre medyo collecting ng konti. Pero ayun, sadly, yung event na to only composed of Pokemon, One Piece, konting wrestling, konting NBA cards, konting Cookie Run. Well, mostly Pokemon and One Piece yung pinakamadaming card dito. So, this is a nice event pa rin naman kasi for the community. As you can see, ayun, ang dami. Even bata. They're starting young. That's very good. So, okay naman to. Lalo na kung One Piece player ka and Pokemon player. And collector, syempre. So, as you can see, ayun, ang dami namang goods na card na binebenta. For Pokemon cards, may mga graded, ungraded, may mga pyesa, may mga kalkal cards ba, or bulks. So, okay din naman. Like, ayan, may wrestling din. Okay din to eh. Gusto ko rin try. Pero, Magic the Gathering muna tayo. Pero, anyway, overall, yung event naman ay really nice kasi it's like make the community more bigger and more closer. So let's support some Card Expo para dumami pa syempre. Diba? Sa ibang bansa maraming mga ganyang expo eh. Yung talagang big expo. So hopefully our country will have such then in due time. So let's just support the community and let's hope na dumami pa tayo. So yun lang, na-share ko lang. Peace.